That's his wetsuit.
Are you gonna jump in? Are you gonna jump in? Nope. Nice job, Trevor.
Is that the first time you've done that, Rob? Yep. Oh, wow. I'm glad I'm here.
This is it. Good job, Slate. Go in.
Bye.
Hey, Mommy.
How cold is
Matt, so
it?
you gotta go in. It's really warm.
It's cold for like 3 seconds and then it's not.
Once you get into it, it's cold at first, but then it'll get warmer.
I wouldn't accuse it of being bath
Oh, just
water,
do
but
what the dog does.
Hey, Trevor!
It'll get warmer.
yeah, if you can figure out,
So you should really
There you go.
okay, let's see what you can do like
Oh,
this.
look, Mommy.
Can you kick?
That's a buoyant.
Kick?
Yeah, kind of over
I don't know about that.
No, it's not.
He's, my arms are under.
Keep his head, his face is going in. Because he'll drink it.
Christina, I bet you can help. You know how to help little ones swim.
First I want to see if I can swim over there.
Okay. Kick, Trevor, kick. Kick.
He hasn't got his first swallow of water, but he's coming.
Oh, he has.
Oh, he has already,
Oh, he
yep.
has already.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Yep. Yay.
I think he's going to be the best one-armed swimmer ever.
Oh, hey, Trevor.
Yeah!
Whoop, you're getting water in your mouth.
There's no way to avoid it.
Trevor.
Says, Daddy, hold me up further. I don't want to swallow this stuff.
Yeah.
Christina, are you waiting for me to get in before you get in? All right.